Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to reset your password in CodeGym. First step is to open your preferred browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar type in CodeGym. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. After that, to reset your password, you have to go to the login page. For that, you can see this start learning button on the top right corner. Click on it and here click on I already have an account. Now type in your email address. Now here you can see that if you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, simply click on this forgot your password option. Here type in your email. Now click on send. Now click on this box to verify that you are not a robot. After that, within a few minutes, you'll receive an email where they will send different procedures that you need to follow to reset your password. So do according to that. And following this simple and easy step, you can now easily reset your password in CodeGym. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.